So I'm working on the e39. I took out the it looks really bad, all ripped, so I gotta get new what's this called, I don't remember, but I gotta get new ones of those. The spark plugs look okay, but they're oily, so not so good. But now I'm working on taking the lower dash out because apparently the coolant is leaking somewhere and it's not in the engine compartment, so it must be the heater core inside there somewhere. So I'm just working my way inside there. And here we got this lovely aftermarket stereo with some really beautiful connections. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep on going and work my way in. So here's the lid I took off. There are a few clips that you take, and then the core inside this. So I'm gonna take this off and see how it looks inside. Some DUIs tell you to take the whole dash. I'm not gonna do that. The lower dash I think is enough, so let's see. So here's the core. Doesn't really seem damaged on this side, so I'm gonna have to check this side and then the pipes under there. Looks fine from here too. Not closer to finding a leak, that's for sure. So now is another day. All the lower dash has been stripped, and now I'm gonna, because the plan is to get black carpet, black lower dash, and a black roof liner, and also black door cards, everything black but not the seats. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and rip pretty much everything out.
Do you wanna dance?
I mean, I saw a spider walk in there, so I'm just looking for it wherever it is. Where is it? So, pretty much everything I want to go is gone except the roof. Let's see, let's turn on the light. So yeah, most of the roof liner is out, but I have to open the sunroof to remove the rest. That's for later, but everything's gone here. Hey guys, so I did a little bit more to the car last night. I kept on going with the interior. Found it that it's leaking at 2 different places from the sunroof. So it's like here and there. Just a little bit of water there. But yeah, so I put the lower dash in, and this is great because the other one is for a phone, the black one, so I'll have this one till I get another one. So yeah, this came in the mail between these and the spark plug, so I'm gonna put these in and see if the car runs better, because these beeped. So yeah. So now that everything's installed in the engine compartment, let's see if the car runs any better. Smokes, but runs so much smoother. So I'm gonna let it run and get up to temperature and see if I see any coolant leaks or anything. So now the car is up to temperature, and I've checked everywhere and I can't see any leaks. So maybe when I got the car, maybe it had some air in the system, and that's why the coolant went down, but we'll see with later when I start to drive it. So that's good for now. So now I just have to finish the interior. So I'm working on putting the door cards on now. First one is on, the rest to go. So what I've been doing the past few days is finishing installing all the interior with all the black stuff I got. So what I did was door cards, lower dash, center console, the headliner, all the lights and handles, and of course black carpet, and also put buttons in the steering wheel because it didn't have any, and this car is equipped with cruise control and everything, so it was kind of lame to not have buttons, but now they're installed, as well as door cards. Yeah, it's looking much better. I would want a black, like sunroof cover, but the guy who sold the headliner to me didn't have it, so this is where it's at. Pretty good. Also, while I was doing that, I installed a door handle on the rear because I had one already painted, but I bought this one, but it's not painted, that's why I didn't install it. It's bright blue right now, so I don't want to put it on the car, but it's really dirty, the car, after sitting, but the interior looks pretty good. And yeah, I also installed black belts everywhere.
Do you want to dance?